the first thing you can do on data that is spread out like that is collecting the data, right? And once you collect it, this is also the next natural thing that we do. So what do you think is the next natural thing that we can do on data? Once you have everything.
Compile.
Segregate, compile, sort.
So essentially that's right. Where your data can talk to you and you can do something about it in return. Those are your actionable insights. And if you don't have structured data all in one place, talking to you, giving you information so that you can take actions on them, on the insights that the data is giving you, there is no point.
In the software process, it has been identified that there are different levels of people they work in the software industry. I call it industry because software has been grown to such an extent and so much of effort put into it. There are different hierarchies, and one hierarchy, immediate upper hierarchy of the field surveyor is the supervisor. So supervisor
with around 2,300 supporters and 200 plus campaigns. So basically, around 10% of these people created campaigns and were able to reach their networks and have these many supporters entirely. And next please, this is all done in a period of less than 3 months. Imagine 3 months when you're raising 1.12 crores, and in many cases, this is even the budget of a few organizations. So you can run your entire organization just via crowdfunding.
That just with the same context, I would like to say something. So last month I started this blog on Instagram. So I used to travel all across rural Karnataka and I used to meet variety of people like various castes, communities, doing different things. So I started documenting these things. I was like, okay, it's interesting. So I just put up stories and people started asking me like, why don't you write something about it?
I mean, being aware of your environment, use anything and everything around you. I have a question for all of you. How many of you were born writing? When you came out of your mom, and I assume one of you came out of your mom, okay? Moving, innocent statement about the toilet and the contribution. He said, look, I do not know if it will be of any value, but if I donate 50,000 rupees to you right now, would that help? And that was that's something which really took us aback. 50,000 rupees, a great amount for an individual to actually commit to, who has not seen the work, who had basically just known the story.